So how can you know what Apple Watch you actually have? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Actually, there are more ways how to figure it out. One of the most common one is to locate your iPhone, which is paired to your Apple Watch, and go to the Watch application where you can manage all of your things. And in there, you can go to the general section, tap on About, and you'll be able to see your model name, your model details, and watchOS version, all of the important information, right? So for me, I can see my series of the Apple Watch, or if you have Ultra, you'll be able to see it right there. So it's pretty easy to find that out. Similarly, you can also grab your Apple Watch and also go to the Settings app right there, where you can, of course, go to the same place. You can go to the General, About, and again see the model name. So it's going to be the exact same thing. So another way how you can view and know about it. But of course, it doesn't end there. So you can browse it on your box of the Apple Watch if you have one left, even on your receipt when you bought it. So yeah, there are plenty of different ways. Keep in mind, however, that the backside of the Apple Watch should also display the model name, even though it's kind of harder to read because the text is smaller. So if you can turn on the Apple Watch, it's much better to check it out through the settings. But if not, you should be able to see it on the backside as well. But that's it from me. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Let me know if it helped you. Well, definitely stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.